Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azar and Arrest Auto. Please don't mind my voice. I have a little cough. And today I'll be working on 2008 Ford Focus. The owner already have this key. It's almost getting damaged. So I want to program another key to it. So that's the key. To tell you that this key is not programmed, you can check. You see I cannot turn. You can also watch the light blinking. That's to tell you this key is no problem. But this is the key that can actually start the car. See, the security light went off. Start the car. Security light went off. So we are going to Ford. Automatic selection. Doing more status scan. Let's see what we have in the PC. Fan control. I disconnected the fan because there will be a part I will have to wait for like 10 minutes. So, and the fan is connected to the ignition. So I don't want it to drain the battery. So that was why I disconnected the fan. So we're going to add key. Start. This procedure will not erase existing key. So let me put the key. This is the key to be programmed. This is the key to be programmed. So insert the key to be learned and turn the ignition on. I just done that. I've inserted the key to be learned. This is the original key. The ignition is on. So work about 3 to 10 minutes. At times it doesn't get up to that. Length key is 2 keys. So it's learning key. Now current key is 3 key. Do you want to learn another key? No. So it was 2 key before. Now that's 3 keys. So when I turn the ignition on, I don't know what is the kind of security system this car has, but maybe unlock. The car has started. But the instrument panel is not light up. So like the instrument panel light is failing. And this one. Oh, sorry. These cars are also electrical issues. Lock, lock. Open the door. Sorry. Why is the instrument light not coming on? So let us rescan. The light is on now. Let me see the error code we have. Okay. but that key has been programmed already. So let me start it with this is the former key, and this is the new key we just programmed. This is Azar and Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.